Hi, welcome back with another new episode on job news. Today we come up with one wonderful opportunity with Indigo. Indigo, it is one of the largest domestic carrier, almost 52%, 53% market share they have, and they are currently running with around 300 flights, and it's a very big organization. They're one of the most popular low cost carrier and famous for their time management. Now they have come up with a new opportunity for their new digital journey. They're looking at some senior people to create and nurture new product. It is in the role of product manager and associate director, and it is purely for new product initiatives, something you should be able to start from scratch and incubate it, take it to the final stage and take ownership of it. So they are looking at someone having experience in the product line, typically 2 to 8 years. They have multiple vacancies. So let us get into the detail and understand. And Indigo is an airline company and their salary structure is very good. And since it's a job for lateral hiring, the pay scale is not defined. It is based on your past scale, and they have certain scale. So it is negotiable. So you have a good opportunity to get a good scale there based on your past organization experience and knowledge. So let's get into the detail. They look for this position for their digital journey, and they are looking at someone to take charge of it. They're looking for people who want to take charge of their initiative. So primarily they're looking people with dynamic personalities, entrepreneurial mindset, because they have to drive it in their own. The people should have the love to try and build new things from the scratch, and they should be passionate about solving real world customer problems. There must be an attitude to not rest till the job is done. So if you look at the positions demand, they are primarily looking at people with startup mindset, with knowledge of and passion for product development. The desired candidates will be a key contributor to the new digital business growth charter developed under the Indigo Digital Department. This unit is going to develop many new projects which, as part of the team, you will be incubating, taking charge, taking it to the market. Think of the customer feedback, the business, the revenue, ROI, everything of that. So let's see what they have asked for. The qualification they are looking at: engineering or management graduate degree from any reputed institute, and the experience is somewhere between 2 years to 8 years of experience. In different level they are looking at people, and it is this experience expected from in the line of product management role for a consumer facing technology enabled business product. If you are working in a consumer facing technology enabled business as a product person, then this is suitable for you. This job will be in Gurugram. Their product center is in Gurugram, and they're specific about your skill set, how you what you bring on the table. So they have also defined what you are expected to bring to the team. You are expected to be knowledgeable on the product side. Your appreciable know-how of technology that goes behind the product. High level of understanding of the impact of technology on the product roadmap. Your passion for data and an exceptional ability to solve complex problems. So ideally what they're looking at, you should love it, nurture it, work on it. You bring your knowledge, you bring in new technology to this, you create the roadmap, you bring the technological impact on the product roadmap, you play with the data, obsessed with the data, and try to solve the complex problem. The mindset to have constantly think about ROI, business, and revenue. So the product what you are developing should be in the context of the business. So whenever you develop something, it should relate to their business. You should always think of what business it can bring, what ROI it can bring, what revenue it can bring. That kind of mindset they're looking at. Also, they're looking at the ability to work on a cross-functional environment. There are multiple divisions working with sales, marketing, revenue management, in-flight services, code share, partnership, customer support, and engineering team. All these teams together you should work. So you are basically will be developing something which will be tested and marketed with this team. So you have to work with them. Your ability with strong communication, problem solving, and stakeholder management. So they're looking at your good communication skill, problem solving attitude, and the stakeholder management. When you work with multiple department divisions, customers, you need to manage them, their expectation. The responsibilities here they're looking at conceptualize and build scalable, impactful new products or features. Whatever you do, it should be scalable and impactful, right from conceptualization to complete building. Ambitiously think and define product vision and strategy. So you should think of the vision of the product, the strategy to implement it, and it should be on a large scale. Own your incubated product release by collaborating with technology, design, and QA team. You own the product, you incubate it, and you see that it is being deployed by working with the team. Define and own product KPI for your product. You have to define the KPI and you have to measure the KPI also. Build strong product insight through consistent consumer engagement and market research and contribute to product vision. So basically you will be whatever you develop, you should have an insight to it. You should consistently work with the ultimate user, get their feedback, redevelop it, augment it, and all this should focus towards the product vision. Should evaluate the market competition and position the product line to appeal to the user. The primary goal has to be whatever you develop, it is for the customer. Consistently analyze product performance post launch and iterate on the same to keep improving the product experience. So in this context, I would tell you something. If you are interested on this product, you should also explore and prepare yourself to lean startup model. If you have not heard of this thing, please do Google and do some research on lean startup concept, which is primarily advocated by Steve Blank. It's a very good model that really fits into the product development model. And as your experienced person, if you get into that with your knowledge of other various product development concepts, it would really help you to present yourself before the interviewers. So, by all these things, what are the key success factors? As we have discussed, it is the mindset that will constantly think about growth, ROI, business, and revenue. It's the passion for data and exceptional ability to solve complex problems. Your strong communication skill, influencing skill, great interpersonal and stakeholder management skill. And you should be high on energy, team player, coupled with a great attitude. So these are the success factors they're looking at. And if you have that in your mind that you want to do something new, a new product, develop and test it into the market, nurture it, take it to the next level, then this could be a right role for you. So how to apply? You should go to their site. It has to be applied online. You can go to goindigo.app.param.ai. This is their job site. You should apply for that. First you register yourself and then upload the necessary documents required there. For seeing the notification which was published on 16th, you can see this. You can go through this link and see the notification and go through the detail which I have already shared it in detail in this video. You have to sign up first in the candidate portal and then you have to log in and apply for the position. Hope you like this information. If you like this, please do share it to your friends and also subscribe so that if similar opportunity comes and if we publish it, it will come to your notice. Wish you a happy career journey. Thank you.